Hi, Rachel.
Hello, Bernard.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
Very well. You're part of the Maiden Excel Girls program.
Yes.
How has the journey been so far?
Well, the journey has been educative, interesting, and then I've really loved what I'm saying with the Phoenix Hub and how things are done here. I'm really grateful for the opportunity.
Fantastic. So, what exactly have you learned?
Okay, so for me, I've learned a lot about data, how to get data, and then how to clean it. And there's one particular thing I've learned about the Phoenix Hub. They don't just assume everybody knows it. They pick you from scratch and then walk you through. And they don't need you to go alone. They guide you, holding your hands to be able to do the things you really want to do.
Fantastic. Part of the expectation of the program is to apply the knowledge to your career and to your community. So, what are you going to do with this knowledge?
So this is really a very good opportunity for me because it's my career goal to become a data analyst, and having this foundation has really helped. And then currently with my work as a fundraising coordinator, this knowledge has helped me, and I've even started applying it on my fundraising project, using Power Query to clean the data and to create a dashboard for my management to be able to make decisions.